Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss trigonometry, class 10, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric values. In this session, we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Click this I button to learn Introduction to Trigonometry and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Let us see trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Sum of two angles is 90 degrees, that is called complementary. So here we are constructing one right angle triangle, that is ABC. So right angle at B. So this is, I am taking A, this is C. So consider a triangle, right angle triangle, ABC. Right angle at B. So right angle at B means angle B equal to 90 degrees. So here B equal to 90 degrees means remaining two angles, angle A and angle C, that must be, it is 90 degrees or not. So sum of other two angles must be 90 degrees. So sum of other two sides means angle A plus angle C equal 90 degrees. Angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degrees. Hence, I am taking angle A equal to X. I am taking angle A equal to X I took. Angle A equal to X means here we are getting angle X degrees. So what about angle C? Angle C equal, we are getting 90 minus angle A means that is 90 minus X. So angle C we are taking as 90 minus X degrees. 90 minus X degrees. Now you can take with respect angle A equal X. So angle A equal X. So what is BC? With respect to angle A I am taking. So BC equal. So what is BC? BC is opposite side to angle A. What is AB? AB equal adjacent side to angle A. Next AC. What is AC? AC is hypotenuse. So AC equal hypotenuse. Now you can take the ratios, trigonometric ratios you have to take. So sine. What is sine? Sine A means x degrees. Sine x degrees. So sine x degrees. What is sine? Opposite side to angle X by hypotenuse. So opposite what is there here? BC by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. Next, cos X degrees. What is cos? Cos means adjacent side to angle X means here A by hypotenuse. So that is AB by AC. Next you can take tan X degrees. So what is tan? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is BC, adjacent is AB. So means BC by AB. Next, cosec X degrees. So cosec X. Cosec means what here? Cosec means hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse means here AC by opposite. Opposite is BC. Next you can take sec x degrees. Sec x. So what is sec? Sec means opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AC by adjacent is AB. Now you can take cot x. Cot means adjacent side to angle x by opposite side to angle x, means AB by BC we are getting. AB by BC. Now with respect to angle x we took. Now you can take with respect to angle C, means that means 90 minus x. So with respect angle C, that equal 90 minus x degrees. So for this one, this AB is the opposite. So AB equal opposite side to angle 90 minus x. This is BC is adjacent side to angle x. Adjacent side to angle 90 minus x. Sorry, 90 minus x. Next, AC is hypotenuse as it is. AC equal hypotenuse. Now you can take trigonometric ratios. Sine 90 minus x. So what is sine? Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is AB by hypotenuse is AC. Next I am taking cos 90 minus x I am taking. What is cos? Adjacent side to angle 90 minus x by hypotenuse. So adjacent is BC by AC. Next tan 90 minus x. Tan means opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. So AB by BC. Next cosec. Cosec 90 minus x equal cosec 90 minus x. Cosec 90 minus x means cosec means hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is AC by AB. Next I am taking here sec. I am taking sec 90 minus x. So what is sec? Sec means hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is AC by BC. Next cot 90 minus x. So cot adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is BC by AB. Now comparing x degrees and 90 minus x degrees. So compare the ratio of this one I am taking, that is 90 minus x. So sine 90 minus x equal sine 90 minus x is AB by AC. In the with respect to x, what we are getting, see here, AB by AC. So AB by AC means that is cos x. So here you can observe here, this is the formula. Sine 90 minus x equal cos x. This is the first formula for complementary angles. Next, this is completed, sine 1 is completed. Next I am taking cos. Cos 90 minus x. Cos 90 minus x is BC by AC. So what is BC in the with respect to x degrees? BC by AC. BC by AC is sin x. So we can take cos 90 minus x degrees equal sin x. This is the second one. Now third one you can take, that is tan. Tan 90 minus x equal, tan 90 minus x value, you got it, AB by BC. With respect to x, AB by BC. AB by BC. So AB by BC means we are getting cot x. So cot x. So tan 90 minus x equal cot x. This is the third one. Next, cosec. Cosec 90 minus x equal, cosec value is AC by AB. AC by AB, that equal, in the with respect to x degrees, AC by AB. So AC by AB means we are getting sec x. So cosec 90 minus x equal sec x. Next, sec 90 minus x equal, so sec 90 minus x. So sec 90 minus x is AC by BC. So what is AC by BC? So AC by BC value we are getting cosec x. Cosec x. So cosec x means, so here you can write the formula sec 90 minus x equal cosec x. Last one it is cot. So cot of 90 minus x equal, cot of 90 minus x value is BC by AB. BC by AB, that equal, in the, with respect to x degrees you can take BC by AB. So BC by AB we are getting tan x we are getting. So tan x degrees. So cot 90 minus x equal, we are getting tan x. So this is the sixth one. So complementary angles of trigonometric ratios are sin 90 minus x equal cos x, cos 90 minus x equal sin x, tan 90 minus x equal cot x, cosec 90 minus x equal sec x, sec 90 minus x equal cosec x, cot 90 minus x equal tan x. These are the complementary angles of the trigonometric ratios. We have seen trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. In the next video, we will see some problems based on complementary angles. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.